Hey guys, Sarge here. What we're going to be talking about today, guys, are a couple of the things that I've seen that is hurting students going to training courses. If you guys will notice, what I've done with my YouTube channel is I've created a playlist called What to Do Before You Take a Class. Okay, and there's videos in there, and these videos are designed to help you as a student have a more enjoyable training time, right, at the courses that you guys are deciding to go to. One thing that I see that is a killer is when individuals show up to the range with empty magazines. Okay, an argument that comes up for it is a lot of people will say, "Well, hey, what if the instructor wants us to only have 5 rounds in the magazine? The instructor, instead of just shooting the 5 rounds of a loaded magazine, he or she only wants 5 rounds in the magazine. It is easier to unload 5 rounds from a magazine than it is to load 5 rounds from your ammo can or your than your box of ammo into the magazine. It takes up less time that way. On your way to the firing line, you can kick out 5 rounds real quick out of your magazine. So when we're looking at the long-term scheme of things, what's going to be the best time-saving measure that we can do? Show up with your magazines already loaded. Okay, that'll save you time. That'll save the instructor time. As soon as you guys get back from training, right? Clean your magazines. A lot of people don't do that, but clean your magazines after a training session and load them. It's something I do with all mine. I'm getting ready to load this one. I unloaded it for the purpose of the video, but I keep all my magazines loaded. So that way, if, hey, I want to go run out to the range or I want to go do X, Y, or Z, I'm not sitting here thinking, okay, well, hold on, I need to load all these magazines, right? I have over 30 Glock mags. I don't want to take the time to sit there and load them all at the range. I want to have the most time-saving measure already taken care of. So just something to think about, guys. Have your magazines loaded, okay? When you come to one of my courses, have your magazine and your gun loaded. If we are doing a drill that requires you to shoot 5 rounds, right, you're going to shoot 5 rounds. Next drill, let's just say we're shooting 12 or 15 rounds or whatever the number is that now you have an empty gun. Reload your gun. I do not train administrative gun handling. I train more in the martial sense of it, and that's something to consider. What are we being trained on, right? When it comes to why do I do things a certain way, and there's other instructors who do it their own way, and that's absolutely fine. They can do it however they want. You're not ever going to go into a gunfight with your magazine half loaded. So why would we train that way, right? So for the purpose of if you are coming to one of my courses, have your magazines fully loaded, and we will take care of unloading them for you. Okay? So if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment section. You guys can find me obviously here on YouTube or on Instagram at Shooting With the Sarge. Stay tuned for more, guys. Sarge out.